Hi, I'm Tim Tyler, and this is a video about how smart whales are in comparison with humans. Humans often take pride in their large brains. However, the human brain is relatively small in comparison to the brains of elephants, dolphins and whales. The largest brains known belong to female sperm whales, which are 46 times more massive than the human brain. Sperm whales look like this. To give an indication of the size of their brains, here is a photograph of John Lilly next to a full-size model of the brain of a sperm whale. Brain surface has valuable properties, and whale brains have more convoluted surfaces and much larger surface area than human brains. The number of neurons in the brain of a sperm whale has not yet been measured, but based on calculations that extrapolate from the brains of smaller whales, their neocortex is expected to have about 2.5 times as many neurons as are found in humans. A more interesting measure is the number of glial cells in the neocortex. This is estimated to be about 9 times as many as in the human brain. Why so many glial cells? Whale brains have proportionately more white matter than human brains, a sign of their sophistication. It seems likely that the glial cells are there to support all the extra metabolic activity. Synapse numbers have not been measured directly, which is unfortunate, since this figure would probably provide the best single estimate of processing capability in whale brains. Synapse numbers are known in dolphins, and a crude extrapolation to the sperm whale suggests that they will have over 3 times as many synapses as humans. What about body size? It was once thought that the ratio of brain size to body size, the encephalization quotient, was more significant. However, more recent findings cast doubt on this idea, suggesting that absolute brain size is just about the single most important factor in predicting cognitive ability from brain attributes. So, we should be impressed at the enormous brains of sperm whales. Whales have complex social lives and exhibit great behavioural complexity. Carl Sagan had this to say about them.
The complex patterns in the songs of the whales are sometimes repeated precisely. If I imagine that the songs of the humpback whale are sung in a tonal language, then the number of bits of information in one song is about the same as the information content of the Iliad or the Odyssey. Is it just a romantic notion that the whales and their cousins the dolphins might have something akin to epic poetry?
The large whale brain is not terribly surprising once you consider that it has been evolving in water for over 50 million years. Unlike the human brain, whale brains do not have to fit through a pelvis that has also had to play an important structural role in walking. Also, rather than being balanced on the top of a human spine, the whale brain is supported and stabilised from all directions by water. As a result of all this, some whales have very large brains, and they are probably much smarter than we are. Enjoy!